Hello, I'm Liz Tran, and welcome to my exhibition, Matriarchs and Daughters, Dream Oceans of Braille. And this is a collaborative exhibition between Homme Gallery and Morton Fine Art. Welcome. This is my piece, Heirloom, which is a very sentimental piece that I worked on with my mother. And it's composed of different elements that I've used throughout the past decade in installations and sculptural pieces. And we brought these pieces together to form this large piece that my mother sewed together. And a few of the installations that these elements have been used in are circus tents. My mom also made me superhero capes out of it that we reassembled together, and also ephemeral installations that I made in Iceland, in Turkey, and also in the Pacific Northwest where I am from. And the border on this piece is made from my grandmother's tablecloth that I dyed with turmeric. So we have multiple generations of women in our family that this is a testament and a credit to. And this is a deeply sentimental piece, and I am thrilled to have this on view. So this piece is from a series from a few years back that is all based around my relationship with music. I use music a lot in the studio, and music also, specific songs will indicate different pivotal moments within my life. And with this piece, it's based on Sade's Baby Father, which is a song that I listen to quite often. And what I did is I took my heart rate while I was listening to the song, and I made a graph of my heart rate and reflected that in the painting. And it is showing my emotional connection to the song and playing off of that in the artwork. So this is my Rorschach series, and it is related to vague memories that I have as a child of being tested with the Rorschach test. And I decided to take it and turn it into my own thing. So by adding color and dimension, it forms into something quite different. It's all about subjectivity, and it is referencing what the audience sees in the artwork rather than what my intent is in the artwork. So everyone sees something different, and they bring their own experiences to each piece. So some people will see animals, others will see faces, others see landscapes. And it's always a joy to hear how different people interpret the work.